Good afternoon, YouTube. Another quick unboxing from Huztl. If you know their website, you've seen that they have a special assembled saw. So let's take a look. They might have opened this in customs because this looks like it's been re-wrapped here. So just like our parts kit, comes with an invoice. This thing looks like it's been banged around. Oh wow, look at that. Now there is a mixing bottle and a half. That is, I bet that's 2 liters. Maybe that's 3 liters. 1, 2, 3. I don't know what else they'd be marking it, but that's actually something you can use in the field. That is really cool. Let's see what they have here. They have the nozzle. Oh, that is cool. It smells like plastic. So, thumbs up for the Huztl pieces. There it is. Okay, inside here we have the styrofoam. Don't want to lose any small pieces. And the dog is right there. This is classified as the G660. Maybe someone could have talked to him about what exactly 666 means, but of course the user's manual. All else fails, read the user's manual. Here's the handlebar, full wrap or 3/4 wrap, however you want to call it. Now for the exciting part. So there it is, the G660. Don't let it fool you. It is what it looks like. It is a Chinese clone, a Chinese copy of the German-made, engineered Huztl. It is a direct copy of the Stihl 066 and 660. What we have here is just the parts that it comes with, and I believe it has everything that you need to assemble it. I was going to go grab my toolbox, but since everything is here, I might as well. I mean, there's really not much assembly required. It's just putting the bar on. So let's see. Yep, a T27 wrench, carburetor adjustment tool. That might be kind of fat to get into the carburetor. Classic wrench. So let's go, first things first, let's put on the handlebars. So all of these screws are the same size, and there's one for the handle. 3 separate screws plus one right in there. First cup. These are like self-tapping screws in a way, because they do go into a plastic body the majority of the time. A power screw that I use sometimes, but just to show that we can set this up without any additional needs. After a little debating, switched a screw and decided to go on the outside. For some reason I thought they went on the inside. I could be wrong. Maybe these are in the wrong place, but for some reason I didn't think there were these big screws sitting out. I'm sure an 8mm socket would be better, but we're making do with what it has. There we go. Oh, need to put the catches back on. And there it is, assembled. Took a little longer than it should have, but what's a few minutes? When speaking with the gentleman at Huztl, he stated that this is made for him by a third party. They assemble it and test it. It has the, if you can see, the dual muffler, dual port. You can always widen these up a little bit more, and it has some residue, so you know it's been tested. I've noticed that the oil that they test it with is pretty steep oil. No serial number.